My friend Cam is a true Southern gentleman, and he's been helping me out a lot with this channel, and he warned me that this could happen. He told me online gardening groups and wine groups could turn toxic. I didn't really believe him until I got this message. You've been permanently banned. Wow. Okay, I'll bite. What did I do wrong? Who did I offend? You're not allowed to promote your wine. Didn't matter that I said, well, I don't sell wine. I'm just a hobbyist. Well, then you're promoting your YouTube channel. Well, I said, this channel isn't monetized. And even if it was, it would make tens of dollars a year. Be that as it may, I was told this channel has nothing to do with wine. I beg to differ. This is what it looks like, trying to grow plants out of what looks like a parking lot. So what can I do about it? Well, the answer is nothing. And moreover, there's nothing I want to do about it. I think you run into toxic people in all walks of life, and snobs. Strangely enough, I've never really met a wine snob. As a matter of fact, I've met a couple sommeliers, and they'll tell you the same thing. Hey, drink what you like. So if you want to spend your energy being toxic, well, that's your path. That's your journey. As for us, we're going to keep making wine. And keep making these fun videos. And keep you updated on what's going on at Dirty Vineyard. Why don't you go have yourself a glass of wine? I am.